Whether it's multiple meals for the family or a feast for your friends, you'll be able to create amazing dishes thanks to this electric range cooker with an induction hob from Stoves. It has 4 cavities including 2 fan ovens and a separate grill. The main fan oven has a medium-sized 54-litre capacity and the second has a medium 57-litre capacity, so there's plenty of flexibility if you're cooking for a larger household or like to host lots of dinner parties. There are 5 cooking zones on the hob, ranging from 4 different sizes. This is great when you want several pans bubbling away at the same time. The main oven in this model is multifunctional, giving you greater flexibility in the kitchen. With a simple twist of the dial, you can select one of the functions. So, whether you choose intensive bake for crispy bread or slow cook for a delicious stew, you'll always get perfect results. Incredible Equiflow fan technology from Stoves creates an even temperature from the top to the bottom of the main oven. A fan at the back of the cavity quickly spreads hot air, meaning your food always cooks evenly, no matter which shelf it's on. And because the heat is always moving, the flavors from different foods won't mix together. So, you can bake a fresh loaf of bread while cooking your evening meal and still get delicious results every time. If you're looking for an electric range cooker to help you create amazing meals, this incredible model with an induction hob from Stoves has everything you need.